In the dynamic automotive manufacturing sector, Hightopo's Automotive Production Workshop SCADA configuration monitoring system seamlessly integrates self-developed low-code visualization technology with real-time data chart display, enabling manufacturers to gain comprehensive insights into all aspects of the production process, including design and R&D parts production, painting, final assembly, inspection and testing. From monitoring the performance of assembly line equipment to optimizing resource allocation, Hightopo's SCADA system can ensure increased production efficiency, reduced downtime and improved product quality. With its user-friendly interface and customizable functions, this system can easily adapt to diverse production demands, helping manufacturers maintain a leading position in the highly competitive global automotive market.